everyone, and welcome back to Devious Minds. Today, it is going to be night 2, and I'm very excited because I just found out how to deal with gRIZZLY when he shows up behind you. So apparently when he shows up behind you, you're going to want to click the camera button, and it pops up like a little monitor thing, and I'll show you. See, when he shows up behind you, if I can get it, go into security, you gotta click on him, and then he leaves. Did he he must have found out that I figured out how to deal with him. And there's literally no... Oh! Oops. Can I, like... Oops. Sorry about that, guys. So, before the video started, I, basically went into settings, and I basically turned off the sound, and I forgot to turn it back on, basically. So, long story short, that happened.
Hello, employee. Glad to see you're still here. Seeing the circumstances, I thought you wouldn't come back. Anyway, something worth noticing. There's another animatronic active. This one is Whiskers the cat. We followed his trail through the day, and he has an interesting feature to say the least. He comes from above you instead of in front or behind you. So after our efforts, we were unable to get him with the fire extinguisher. However, if you go into your camera system, you will see an option that says Laser Seal, that is used for anyone that tries to get in through our ventilation. So if you see him in there, I think you can guess what to do. But be quick, because he almost fell into one of our staff earlier. Oh, and I read your report asking what would happen if a character got to you. We are looking more into it. Speaking of that, he could have almost died. It's kind of funny because Gordon said he might be working on a system to make synthetic bodies or something. Maybe people can come back to life or something. Probably not, though. Okay, well, that's it for tonight. Good night, employee.
Okay, so, so apparently this guy, Whiskers the cat, or him, I have no idea, is gonna come hunt us down. That's not gonna be good, because I'm assuming...
gRIZZLY, a dancing, singing bear.
Oh my god. Thank you. God dang, that scared me. I thought that came from above. He's coming out. Okay, he's not gonna come play yet. I'm like so paranoid right now. He left. Are you kidding me? Are you Laser Seal? I'm just gonna assume. I'm gonna spam this. Wait. Oh, wait. What? Did my power die? Oh god. I don't like this. Ah. No, I used it all. Are you kidding me? Oh god, I'm about to die. Guys, warning, headphone warning. I'm probably gonna die anytime. Please. Please. Please don't kill me. I'm just a fellow worker. What? I wish there's a honky thing. He's behind me, isn't it? He is. I could tell. I'm accepting my fate. You may take my soul away, Mr. gRIZZLY. Wait, is he above me? He's up. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh. I wasn't looking till he left. I should have kept on looking. Man. Oh, but that scared me though. I don't like horror games because I always get like the poop scared out of me. I'm opening the window next to me so I can have some light in here so I don't get the poop scared out of me anymore. Okay, wait, what? Hmm.
Hello, employee. Glad to see you're still here. Seeing the circumstances, I thought you
I kind of
wanted
want
to
to hear
come
his voice
back.
again. That's why I'm not muting the call right now.
Anyway, something worth noticing. There's another animatronic active. This one is Whiskers the cat. We followed his trail through the day, and he has an interesting feature to say the least. He comes from above you instead of in front or behind you. So after our efforts, we were unable to get him with the fire extinguisher.
I'm grizzly.
However, if you go into
I'm
your camera
dancing,
system, you will see
singing
an option that says laser seal. That is used for anyone that tries to get in through our ventilation. So if you see him in there, I think you can guess what to do. But be quick, because he almost fell into one of our staff earlier. Oh, and I read your report asking what would happen if a character got to you. We are looking more into it. Speaking of that, he could have almost died. It's kind of funny because Gordon said he might be working on a system to make synthetic bodies or something. Maybe people can come back to life or something. Probably not, though. Okay, well, that's it for tonight. Good night, employee.
Good night. I just realized that he's making bodies. Dude, you're weird. You're like hecka weird. He's not behind me, is he? No, he's not behind me. Oh God. Oh dear. Oh, is nobody above me? No. Okay, I just gotta wait till he's above me. Um, um, I'm about to die. Oh, I'm not dead yet though. Okay, he's gone. That was pretty nasty.
Yo!
Okay, now you're just weird, dude. Stop. Okay, you haven't left yet, and you just went back to your starting spot. Perfect. Are you gonna show up behind me? Okay, so you can either. I have a feeling you're gonna come to the back though. He's been attacking me through the front lately. See, this last thing would determine that. So are you already there? No, you're. Okay, good. So what time am I at? It's night 2. I'm at 3 a.m. He's attacking me there again. He just loves that spot, don't he? Okay, and you're about to attack me too.
Knock, knock. Anyone home?
Oh shoot. Also, you're probably right there too. Just waiting. This is a waiting game. Waiting game. Show up already, come on. Come on. There you are. Okay, good. Oh, there's you. Perfect. You went right back to that spot, didn't you? This guy's gonna wait for me to deal with someone else and then deal with him. That's not gonna be fun.
Yo!
Just want to bet he's right there. I don't like how that like glitches and you don't. No. Don't tell me he's right behind me. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, good. He's not there anymore. He might show up behind me again, though. Ooh. So can I just hit it from anything? I guess. Okay. Okay, you're about to attack. Let's have you attack real quick, please. Please attack me. Please attack. Just come on. Come attack so I can hit you real quick, and then, because I got 2 animatronics on me. Isn't that good? I don't like how he's silent, too. Like, you gotta, oh, a few second night complete. Guys, I was on the tip of my chair just waiting for this night to end. Oh, and that guy. I don't like how he's so silent. Like, can you at least make some noise? You're like probably like a 1-ton robot. Can you like not be so silent when you're up there? Whew. I think I might end it here. I know you guys might not like this, but like I said, I think I'm gonna add more editing in this one video. I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like my content and want to see me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And Franz is out. Bye.